very special highlight. I'm so pleased to be able to offer this bonus to the participants of the program. And this is a hosted visit to the well-known dance company, the Ballet Flamenco de Andalucía. We will have a chance to get up close, to get to know them. I hope we get to see their premises and watch them in rehearsals, perhaps have a little bit of chat. I think it's such a privilege for me, as well as my group of participants, to be able to visit them, because it's something that you may not be able to do if you came on your own. But as a group, and with a little bit of contacts here, thank you Manuel Betanzos for helping me also facilitate this. And together, both him and I have been able to offer this in the program. So that's the value I hope that participants see, that we get access to all these amazing activities.